KS Services is now offering preventative maintenance plans as low as $12 a month. Preventative maintenance is so important when it comes to your HVAC system. Let us come check your system out and perform our 22-point inspection. It's better to be safe than sorry. We have so many plans to choose from and special offers that go along with them. Call today for more information. 205-322-9090. Alabama license number 11120.
Alabama's weather turning wet. We'll see rain moving in here late today and tonight. But the good news, the weekend not all wet this time. Check things out. There's the upper air look this morning. A deep trough and upper low evolving over Texas today. That'll be producing the inclement weather in coming days. And we are well above the freezing mark this morning as expected. It's 49 in Birmingham at 5 o'clock. We'll expect the high today in the upper 50s in most spots. And around the nation, again, things are fairly seasonal. Coldest air up in northern New England and out west. Very windy today for parts of the southern plains down into Texas. Those are high wind warnings in effect for places like Amarillo, Lubbock, and Wichita Falls. The east is fairly quiet. Maybe some strong storms later today and tonight. South and west of here got the standard slight risk around Tyler and Longview, Texas. A marginal risk over much of Louisiana. And for Alabama, the marginal risk clips Mobile and Baldwin counties. And the coast of Florida, the panhandle, through tonight. Maybe some storms with strong gusty winds as the air will be fairly unstable coming in from the Gulf. But for most of Alabama, just a lot of rain tonight. Then tomorrow, a risk of severe storms over north and central Florida. The standard risk for places like Tampa, Orlando, Daytona, Jacksonville. A marginal risk up to the Outer Banks of North Carolina. And on day 3, speaking of the Outer Banks, a marginal risk over far eastern North Carolina. Here's the precipitation for the next 7 days. And again, you can see the southeast relatively wet. Numbers have come down a bit for Alabama. Rain amounts between 1/2 and 1 inch. And the bulk of that will be tonight, tomorrow, into Saturday morning. So, model fans, let's go. This is the GFS. This is the 06C run at noon today. There's that deep upper low developing over Texas. And we all know those can create forecasting problems underneath those things. And below that, a surface low is near Dallas. And during the day today, the bulk of the rain will be west of the state. The rain could creep in here late this afternoon, but the bulk of the rain will likely be tonight. This is midnight tonight. Surface low still over eastern Texas. Rain becoming fairly widespread. And again, I don't think we hear thunder for the northern half of the state. Maybe some strong storms down around Mobile and the Gulf Coast. This is tomorrow at noon. Surface low just creeping to the east. We'll see periods of rain throughout the day, cloudy. And we could see low 60s. This will not be the cold rain like we had this past Saturday. Now, this is Saturday, and the upper low is, or the surface low is north of us, and we'll maintain the chance of some rain, mainly during the morning hours. The sky will be cloudy, and the high will be in the 50s. Up in the Tennessee Valley, they might stay in the 40s much of the day. But Sunday should be brighter and warmer. We might be pushing 60, the sky becoming partially sunny as the storm system lifts out. So that's your dry day over the weekend. We'll go to Monday. Next week is looking really quiet. Sunny with a high in the 50s. This is Tuesday. Morning lows in the 30s, highs in the 50s. Wednesday, basically the same thing. And here's a week from today. This is Thursday the 20th. Upper low over northern Mexico, troughing over Michigan, and we're in between all that, so we're still dry. We start the day in the 30s. The high would be close to 60. Let's go out 10 days. The 10 days. This is Saturday, December 22nd. Little trough down to the southwest of here. Maybe some rain in the Gulf, but that still looks quiet. So after Saturday, things look dry for a week or so. And yeah, you know what we're going to do. Go out and peek at Christmas Day, December 25th. And again, this is 300 hours out, which means there's no skill out here. We're just looking. And if this is right, all the storm action would be to the north. And this will change again and again. Here are the numbers coming off the GFS. And again, very consistent on most days through the end of the month. Highs in the 50s and lows in the 30s. That's it for the Weather Extreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by Bill Murray, he'll have that on here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening, Charles Daniel will be covering on ABC 3340 News this evening at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.